Okay, so this is the Kesar that I had picked 2 weeks ago while it was still green. So I guess the color is, turning a bit oranges. I guess it's also a bit soft now too. And I put it in the rice, my rice bin. So you see this, the rice right here. So put it in the rice bin for about a week already. So in terms of smell, I don't smell anything at all. So zero odor. So let's cut into it and see. Oh wow, look at the color. Wow. Wow. As soon as I cut into it, it has a citrusy smell to it. It's a bit of a citrusy smell. Okay, this part seems a bit firm. It's not soft, so I don't know if it's ready or not. Wow, look at that. Color is different. So, let's see. So it's a Kesar that I guess I grafted the cuttings onto the Malika tree. So now I have two different type of variety of mango on that Malika. And let's see. I don't know, it's like a little bit fibrous. Seems like a bit fibrous when it cut. Okay, so that looked nice. Okay, so let's go for the taste test. I don't know, sounds a bit fibrous to me. A bit fibrous. Pretty sweet. A bit of a citrus taste to it. I think I prefer the Malika over this. This one has a citrus taste, flavor. I think Malika has a much more smoother texture. This one is a bit of a fibrous, because when I cut it, you can hear the sound. See, it's a bit fibrous. Let's see. Citrus flavor and sweet, pretty sweet. This is the first time that the Kesar bear fruits for me. So my first time tasting it. Somehow might taste a little bit like a PPK. I know I haven't had the PPK for a while. So Fibers, but not too fibers. So let's see the seeds. So I'm gonna plant the seed. Okay. So I'll go plant the seed tomorrow. Ooh. Okay.